So hey guys, आज वो दिन है जब मैं इस जगह को छोड़ रहा हूँ। हालांकि 3 साल पहले आया था मैं, और ये वही चेयर है जहाँ बैठा करता था। या प्लेसेस होती हैं अपने अपने जहाँ पर आप अपनी मेमोरीज बिल्ड करते हैं। सो आई मेड अ लॉट ऑफ मेमोरीज विद माय कलीग्स एंड स्टाफ आल्सो, एंड लुक एट दिस that I made way earlier for the science exhibition. There you may find some of the charts also, and that was the ultimate thing which we had that idea while we were preparing for the science exhibition. And now look at this. This is Versatile Gyan board, which is maintained by me only throughout 3 years. And these were the dummies that I gave this idea to the kids, so they made it and they did pretty good job. And here you can see some of the paintings also, and these paintings are made by our team directors and director sir. And here I want to show you something very interesting, and can you guess it? What is it? Yes, this looks like a sniper, so I made it as a beam gun. Yeah, it works also. And ये मेरा लास्ट दिन है, so I'm just enjoying myself and enjoying being here only. 3 साल दिए हैं, and now I'm going for the government job. So I got that post after so many years and hard work. So right now I'm going to be 35. But before that, God has planned something for me. So I will do my best. I'll make sure. That one is the biology and the physics lab. And here is the view. You can see this. These are the buses and the nature. And that was the, can you see that? The mountain ranges. These were the Shivalik Himalayas. So Shivalik, these were the newest माउंटेन रेंजेस दैट वर मेड। क्यों ज्ञान दे रहा हूँ इतना मैं नहीं जानता, बट मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, बिकॉज जब आपके मन से जब बर्डन बाहर निकलता है तो कैसा लगता है, कैसा फील होता है, बस एग्जैक्टली वही चीज़ मुझे भी फील हो रहा है। आई एम फीलिंग सो मच रिलैक्स्ड, बट आई एम ऑल्सो फीलिंग समवेयर अ बिट sorrow deep inside my heart because of my colleagues also, because they throughout the years they helped me a lot. We had a great connection, but the time has come, so I had to leave. So as the last moment. Okay guys, see you next time when I'll meet, when I'll go there, no? When I'll join there, then only I've joined already. So जब वहाँ पहुँचूँगा उसके बाद मैं आपसे बात करूँगा. Then I'll show you my journey. Okay? जो continue करूँगा मैं. Till then, bye bye. Oh, so this is my chemistry lab. We made this past 3 months because we have been organizing science exhibitions, so we made this one. There are lots of charts also. This one is the lab, and these were the paintings that was made by director sir. And this one is our Versatile Gyan Vigyan. Okay, and this one I named it Kanat's Console. So here you can see the chemistry section, here physics and biology also. These are some of the dummies that might attract kids also. And here is a small section where I used to put my stuffs. And here is the dimension of this whole lab. And this is my chair where I used to sit. So here is the view where I used to sit and to watch out the nature at its best. This one is the corridor. There is the biology lab and then physics lab. So here is the greenery, okay? And 3 years I spent here. Now the day has come. I have to leave as it's a call from the God. So I have to leave. So here are the buses. मौसी जी आप लोगों की यादें हैं क्यों नहीं है आप लोग वो गंगा मौसी हाँ So let me give you a view of my class. So this is my class. That board, can you see this? Operations Sindoor. Here is the discipline chart, discipline board, notice board, and this one. Yes, this chart is the best one. This is the main board, display board. So ये मेरी क्लास है. बच्चों मैं तुम लोगों को बहुत मिस करूँगा और ध्यान रखो पढ़ाई करना ढंग से एक दूसरे को परेशान नहीं करना है बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत लगाई है एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ माय क्लास दैट दे ऑल आर वेरी स्वीट उनके साथ बहुत अच्छा समय रहा एंड गाइस रिमेंबर ऑलवेज कि पढ़ाई कम ज़्यादा हो जाएगी बट यार व्यवहार सही रखो रेस्ट is your life. So this is the view of my class. Okay, that was interactive panel and that green board. Peace. So this is the message, last message which I wrote for the kids. I really love them, yeah. We had a great connection altogether. So this is my class and this is the last message which I had written for my kids. And this is the scenario of my class where I used to teach. There were 3 boards, Operation Sindoor, that was the shout out board, and this is the main board. And here there are 3 sections, chemistry, biology, physics. And this one is your discipline chart, interactive panel. And here is green board and buses and the scenario. So, see you soon.